Good morning. Today we are going to learn about prepositions of movements. In our earlier sessions, we have learnt about prepositions of place and time as well. So, prepositions, as we all know, are the words which are used to tell about the position of noun with respect to some other noun, pronoun, or other word. Today we are going to talk about prepositions of movement. And as it is clear from the word that it is about movement of some noun. So let's start with it. Preposition of movement. First one is to. Now it shows the movement in a specific direction. As you can see in the picture, the ball is moving in the direction where there is the box. So the direction is told by the preposition which is to. For example, if I say a sentence, I am going to school, which means that I am going in a specific direction. My position with that particular noun, that is school, is that I am moving in the direction of that place, which means school. So, next preposition is towards. Towards is in the direction of or closer to someone or something. This word tells about the close distance of one thing to another one. So as you can see in the picture, the ball is going towards the box, means in the direction which is closer to somebody. Now we can see through the example, or we can understand through the example. If I say my mother is moving towards me, so it is about close direction, close to somebody. Out of. Out of denotes about the position of something which is going from inside a space to outside a space. As you can see in the image, the ball is coming out of the box. Means the place which was inside, the ball is leaving that place and coming outside. Means to the direction which is taking it out. So again you can see movement of the ball means preposition out of denotes the preposition of movement. Into. Into is opposite to out of. As you can see in the picture, the ball rolled into the box. Now you can say that into preposition tells about the noun when it is going from outside a space to inside a space. Now it's clear that something which is going out of something, then you are using the preposition out of, but remember this must be in movement. It must be in motion. Only then you will be able to use out of and into. Next is on to. So on to, as you can see in the image, the ball is getting onto means on the surface of that, not inside the box. Neither it is coming inside the box, neither nor it is coming out of the box. It is going on to the box means on the surface of the box. So it is used to show movement into or a particular place. So it is telling about the movement on the box. Pass above something, that means the ball is going over the box. Now ball will start from the bottom, means from where it is in the beginning position, and it will be in the movement and it will cross from, means it will be above the surface of the box and go the other side, go at the other side of the box. So the ball is going over the box. Across. Across shows the movement of from one side to the opposite side. Let me give you one example. That suppose if you are walking on the side along the road, right? And when you cross the road, you are going on the other side of the road, then you will say that I went across the road. Same way, if I give you another example, suppose somebody wants to go from one side to other side of river, right? So that person jumped into the river and swam across the other side of the river. Means when in the way you can say that it is used for crossing something. It is clear through the image. The ball is going across the bridge. Means from one side to the other side. From one side to the other side. When it shows the movement, then you use across. Then quite simple one, up. Indicates the movement from a lower to the higher position. So then you call that ball is going up the stairs. Now down is opposite to the word or preposition up. Indicate the movement from a higher to a lower position. The ball is going down the stairs. Now next preposition tells you about the circular direction. Go along its edge in a circular direction. Now you can see in the image the ball is going around the box. Means it is going around the box. Motion must be circular. Movement must be circular. So this is how you use the preposition to show the movement of circular motion by using the word around. Preposition of movement. It shows the movement in a line next to something long. As you can see in the picture that there is a road maybe, or maybe some path which is in blue color, and the ball is going along with it, means on the side, but it is in moving position. So it is going as you, for example, we can say that I was walking along the road, and it shows that the movement is going from one line to the next, but side by side. So that is called along. Of prepositions denotes that the like going away from something. As you can see, the ball is getting off the box. Ball is getting off the box. Down means it is moving away. Now as you can see in this preposition, that is through, the ball is going in a closed space, but it would come out from the other side. So it shows the movement from one side of an enclosed space to the other side. So it will go through it. The ball is going through the box. And next preposition you can see, used to show the place where someone or something starts. Means from the beginning point of the movement. The beginning point of the movement for an object. Then you call it from. Like the ball is going away from the box. Means it started moving from the box and then it will go away from it. There are many other phrasal prepositions, and sky is the limit for that. There are few examples which we have shown over here. In place of, away from, in case of, by means of, because of, in front of, in favor of, instead of, with reference to, in addition to, in spite of, and account of. There are so many. So there are so many phrasal prepositions which you can read from anywhere, and you will come to know that they are called phrasal prepositions and they are used at so many places.